Yesterday we started Terraform. Terraform is provisioning tool. We installed yesterday Terraform, okay, using this command. Then we created AWS keys, okay, in using security credentials, okay. And before running any Terraform code, we have to export these AWS keys, okay. And I do not want to export these keys every day before starting Terraform, okay. It takes time. So what I have done is, you remember this exercise number 1.7 for AWS Cloud, where we installed AWS CLI, and then we configured AWS, okay. So you can continue this method, okay, if you want, but what I have done is, before this class I have configured this AWS, okay. So now it will not ask me to export this, because the credentials are already installed, okay, on this system using AWS configure. If you all also want to do this, I'm just sharing this link, okay. You can continue using export or this one, okay. So I don't know why it's not working, okay. But remember this exercise, just add AWS cloud, okay, to the everyday's link, and search for exercise number 1.7, where you can install AWS CLI and configure it, so that it won't ask for exporting this, okay. So yesterday we created S3 bucket, okay, using init plan and apply, and we created the bucket and then we destroyed it, okay. Today we'll continue with the lab, okay, 1.1. Yesterday we created EC2 instance, okay. Sorry, S3 bucket. Today we'll create EC2 instance, and using Terraform destroy, I yesterday deleted that S3 bucket as well. Today we'll continue with creating an EC2 instance. So this is also very simple. I have created AWS directory. Inside that, first we created S3 bucket yesterday. Now we create EC2 instance. So I'll create a EC2 directory. Inside EC2, I'll write the code for creating an EC2 instance. So here again, we'll create a file main.tf. We can give any name like ec2.tf as well. The tf extension is important, main.tf. Cat main.tf. If you see, the provider is AWS, okay, and whatever we create, it will be done in US East 1 region, okay, and we are creating an AWS instance resource, okay. As I said, this is the syntax, okay, inbuilt syntax, okay. This name we can give anything, okay. This is the name for this block, okay, the complete block. This is the name, okay. The AMI ID, we can get it from the console as well. So when you go to EC2, okay, and when we launch in an instance, when we click on Ubuntu and any flavor you take, okay, suppose I'm taking Ubuntu 20, okay. So here you'll see some AMI ID here also and here also, okay. These are the AM, from that I have taken that AMI ID, okay. It is for Ubuntu 20 in US East 1 region. So you can refer this always, okay, and that I have added here. And the instance type which we will be creating is T2 micro. These are the minimal options which we need to provide. Other options are not mandatory, okay. So we just want to learn Terraform, not all other options. So we are taking minimal option. Just do Terraform init. Again, I don't have to export the keys, okay, as mentioned here. Okay, when I configure AWS using this method by installing AWS CLI and doing AWS configure, I don't have to export the keys. Terraform init, then plan. Okay. So one of the method to get all the options is just do Terraform plan. Okay, and as per requirement we can give CPU core count, CPU threads per core. Okay, the public IP, private IP. Okay, that automatically given. But in case we want to choose some other options, we can do it. Okay, we'll just do. So if you see, it is saying plan one to add. Okay, so after approval this plan will be applied. Terraform apply, and if you see in UST1 region, as of now I have only one instance, that is a jump server on which we are working. Now after Terraform apply, I'm just approving it yes, and it has started creating an EC2 instance. So the apply is complete, it has created one resource. Okay, I'll just go to EC2 dashboard and I'll just refresh this page, and you can see it has created an EC2 instance. Okay, no tag is given, so with default option this is created. Now we'll just destroy it. Okay, just approve it yes. Okay, so destroy complete, one resource destroyed. Just refresh this page and we can see it will be in a terminated state. It started terminating it. Okay, so that's it for this exercise.